Toy Genie Surprises. Hey guys, today we have 2 sets of triplets at our awesome vending machine. Let's find out which L.O.L Lil Sister each one of our triplets wants to get. Our first triplet is Touchdown, and do you know whose outfit Touchdown is wearing? She's going to choose a Lil Sister, and she's going to choose this one. She chose Lil Riptide, and Lil Riptide is $1.50. $1.50 is 6 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come and press the number 5. What did Touchdown number 1 get? This is a Mo-Lang Best Friends charm. So let's see what's inside. We have a bunch of cute little charms inside. Let's see how this works. It looks like we have a cute little bracelet, and we can assemble our own bracelet by putting these charms on there. So these charms are beads also, and they have names. So we'll find out the names in a bit. Let's put all of these on. This one looks like a little green penguin. And what is this? A little scale. Let's pull this through, and then let's see how this works. Right here, we put it on this side, and we fold over our cute little bunny, and there we have it. A cute little bracelet with 2 beads and 2 charms. So here are the names. We got Picnic Pals, a little green, it looks like a little penguin, green penguin bead that is part of Picnic Pals. And for this Picnic Pal, we have a little picnic basket. And then this other one is Jungle Journey. I have this upside down. So here's our Jungle Journey friend right here. And our Jungle Journey friend has a little monkey. So here's our cute little bracelet. And let's get our dress and little Riptide. Super awesome. Look at how cute she is. Awesome. Perfect for our first Touchdown. Here's our first Madame Queen. And do you guys know whose outfit she is wearing? She's going to choose... Which one is she going to choose? Lil Snuggle Babe. Lil Snuggle Babe is 27 cents. That's 1 quarter. And 2 pennies. 1, 2. Come and press the number 1. And what do we get? We got a BFF's blind box. BFFs will make you L.O.L. Let's see what we have inside. What do we have? We have a pickle and a fork. Here's our pickle, and here's our fork friend here. Let's see. Like this. Want some pickle? Let's find out the name of our pickle. We have Dylan and Eddie Jr. And let's get our cute green dress and Lil Snuggle Babe. Come on out, little snuggle babe. She's stuck in there. Let's put her dress on. Super cute in this dress. Oh, so adorable. She looks like a princess. Here comes touchdown number 2. And whose outfit is she wearing now? Let's see, who is she going to choose? I think she's gonna go for Lil VR Cutie. Lil VR Cutie is 85 cents. For that, we're going to use 1 dime and 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3. Come and press the number 3. Whoa! Oh my goodness! It looks like she got an L.O.L. surprise confetti pop. Let's find out which confetti pop doll Touchdown got. Do you think she'll get one of herself? Beauty sleep. Let's see which beauty sleep doll we got. Here's our collector stickers. And here's our little tattooing, and it's a little kitty cat. We have a pink ball. So let's find out what's inside our pink ball. Our first surprise is a pink and teal colored bottle. And let's see what this is. We have a little nightie. You guys know who this is yet? Here's our little ribbon. Oopsie. We have a flying slipper or a flying shoe. 2 cute pink little shoes. And let's see what else. What's this? An eye mask with the eyes closed. So let's give this a pull. Ready? Pull! Oh my goodness! Knocked everyone over. Who do we have? Oh my goodness! Touchdown keeps falling. We got Baby Doll! Yay! She's so cute. She has freckles on her cheeks. So let's put her dress on. There we are, and we can put her shoes on. We'll leave her eye mask off until after we find out what her special ability is. Let's go get some water. Let's see if she color changes. Nope, no color changing here. So let's give her a squeeze underwater and see what her special ability might be. She is an ear squirter. You see, she squirts out of both ears, but this ear is a little bit weaker. It does come out, but not a lot. So let's put on her little eye mask. She's ready to go to sleep. Actually, we'll leave it up on top so we can see her cute face. Now let's get VR Cutie, or Lil VR Cutie, and her dress. Let's put on her dress. And here she is. Here's our Madame Queen number 2. And whose outfit is she wearing? Be careful, it's a trick question. So let's see which little sister she's going to choose. She's going to choose Lil Super Baby. Lil Super Baby is $2. We're going to use a dollar bill for our first dollar. Make sure it's straight. And then we're going to use 4 quarters to make the second dollar. 2, 3, 4. Let's come and press the number 6. And she got a Shopkins Wild Style Season 9 surprise. These are so cool. We have a unicorn pet pod, or actually we're hoping for a unicorn pet pod. Let's see. Oh, we did not get one. We got a snowy bear one. Look, we have snowflakes all over our cute pet pod. So let's open this up and see what we got. Ooh, we have a jeweled one. Is this perfume or nail polish? We'll find out in a bit. Oopsie. Let's get our second surprise and then we'll find out from our collector's guide. We have a glittery one. Oh, we have a glittery piano. And it's even got a little tiara on the corner here. Let's find out their names. Our piano is actually a keyboard. We have Kayla Keyboard from the Glitzy Dancers tribe. And then we have a returning Shopkin Polly Polish Glamour Gems tribe. There's a tiny little gem on our Polly Polish. Super cute. So let's get our cute pink dress and Lil Super Baby, come on out. And let's put our dress on. Super adorable puffy dress for Super Baby. Here's our third touchdown. And whose outfit is she wearing? She's going to choose. Who is she going to choose? How about this one? She chose Lil Vacay Baby, and that's 55 cents. 1 nickel for the 5 cents, and 2 quarters. 1, 2. Come and press the number 2. And she got a little juice box, a Toki Doki Breakfast Besties juice box. What's inside? What do we have? Jam! Strawberry jam. How cute is that? And it comes with a little spoon. These are too cute. And it looks like a guitar, the jam, the spoon I mean. And the strawberries look like music notes. How clever. So let's get Lil Vacay Baby out. And here's her cute dress. How adorable. Here's our last Madame Queen. And whose outfit is she wearing? Take a guess. And she's going to choose Lil Sugar Queen. Lil Sugar Queen is $1. How many quarters is $1? 4, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. come and press the number 4. What did she get? She got a Warheads Dippin' Ring. Blue raspberry sweet candy ring with green apple sour candy powder. Oh my gosh. Here is the sour candy powder. And here is our ring. Oh my goodness. So let's open this up. And pop. Oh wow, this looks delicious. Actually, let me put the lid back on. And let's open up this powder first. Oh my goodness, is your mouth watering yet? Let's put this in here. And then let's remove this. Give this a lick. Wow, the ring is delicious without the powder. Let's dip it in. Wow, so awesome. Let's give this a try. Oh my goodness, so sour but so yummy. Wow, this is really, really sour. Oh my goodness. So now let's get Sugar Queen, or Little Sugar Queen, and her dress. Here she is, awesomely cute and adorable. Glittery and perfect for Madame Queen. Well guys, that's it for this video. So let me know in the comment section, who is your favorite doll, or what is your favorite surprise? See you guys in the comment section. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching the Toy Genie channel. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know to make more videos just like this for you. Click or tap on this video to watch it. Click or tap to subscribe. It's free. Plus you get to see my latest videos. And until next time, be happy and keep smiling.